Mild day out there. Here's Ted with more.
Yeah, a little break from summer warmth and mugginess, and more importantly, a break from rain. We had a lot of it earlier this week, and now we're kind of drying out, enjoying a very peaceful but fall-like Friday. Looking at time lapse, we had a fair amount of cloud cover for a time this morning, but the last couple of frames of imagery from CC Heights, here's on a Lewiston auto camera. You see the big breaks developing in the clouds, and then nice blue patches in the sky above. Now, plenty of that sun at this point as well as we look toward Lake City. From our Lake City Lewiston auto camera, some sunshine, choppy waves, kind of a brisk breeze out there on Lake Pepin, but overall not a bad day to be out and about, and it looks like a terrific weekend to spend time on the lake or doing just about anything outside. We're going to enjoy some very mild weather. 60 right now, kind of a cool northwest breeze, 16 miles per hour, ushering that dry air. We noticed those changes yesterday, the dew point level, again, that measure of mugginess in the air, just bottoming out, going from the 60s early yesterday to the 40s, and that's where we are still today. Air pressure rising, so very dry, crisp atmosphere, and a taste of September in the air, I think, at this point. 60 in Rochester, it's 59 Dodge Center. North Iowa, kind of the same range. Osage 61 and 58 in Cresco. Partly sunny today, kind of a cool breeze. The weekend looking sunnier, a little less windy, just a little warmer each day. And then next week we tap into some warmer, muggier, more summer-like weather. And that's fitting, I suppose. We are moving into meteorological summer next week. Of course, the beginning of June, heralding that change in seasons. And looking at some patchwork of sun and clouds at this point. That sun will help us reach the mid-60s. We've been struggling to get to 60 all morning long. And all these clouds rotating around an area of low pressure that moves through it, drag that cold front to the area. Still generating some showers ahead of that front for areas of Michigan and Ohio, Indiana. High pressure will be our weather maker for the weekend as it moves in from the west, making for a quieter, brighter weather picture. But high-res future track looking at a couple of sprinkles in parts of Wisconsin to our north and east up toward Wausau and Rhinelander, but for us, we're going to stay dry with a few fair weather clouds and a cool breeze. Plenty of sunshine late in the day as we lose some of these fair weather clouds. We'll have more and more of that sun, but at high temperatures only around 66, which is about 8 degrees below the seasonal average, 7 to 8 degrees anyway, below that average. Mid and upper 60s today, dropping quickly once you get past sunset. So if you're having outdoor plans for this Friday evening, maybe grab a sweater and have that ready because we're going to drop to the 50s just after sunset, bottoming out in the mid and upper 40s by tomorrow morning behind this departing cold front, and as high pressure settles in, making for a clear, quiet scenario tonight and tomorrow. But breezy with some sunshine today, highs in the mid and upper 60s. Tonight would drop to the 40s with a light breeze. And high pressure sticks around tomorrow, diverting a storm system, a little disturbance to the west to our south and west, keeping the showers at bay in the Missouri Valley. For us, it's plenty of sun, a lighter northwest breeze, highs close to 70 with the low 70s behind that area of high pressure with a very light south breeze and abundant sunshine on Sunday. Jet stream is south, kind of dipping to the south, that is, allowing some cool air in now, but by the early part of next week, we see a shift as that pushes northward. A lot of warm air, much warmer air mass coming in for next week. You see the above average temperatures from the Climate Prediction Center, high likelihood of next week and the week beyond to be warmer than average for us. That means 80s instead of the more seasonable 70s. And we see that already in the 7-day outlook for the next upcoming week, low and mid 80s. And that may be the case beyond that as well, if you were to believe that Climate Prediction Center outlook. 60s today, mid 60s in Rochester, 65 in Charles City, Cresco 63. Partly sunny, breezy and cool. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour for this afternoon. Tonight, clear and cool, 47. May need an extra blanket on the bed if you keep the windows open. It's like decent windows open weather, though, for the most part. At 67, a gorgeous day, a lighter breeze, even more sun. 7-day forecast, low 70, on Sunday, extra sunshine and a couple of isolated storms Monday. Better chance of rain toward the middle of next week. A little more mugginess and a little more of that June warmth as well.
Bring on the weekend. It looks great.